Hey beauties, I am gonna make Pandesal. They are Filipino dinner rolls. Let's get started! I included an ingredient list here just for your convenience. The first step is to sift 3 cups of bread flour. After sifting the flour, add in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then whisk the dry ingredients together. Beat 1 large egg. Add 1 cup of lukewarm milk. Make sure it is not burning hot so it won't kill the yeast. Add the beaten egg. Add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix the ingredients several times until they are well blended. Now we add in 1½ teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Flour your countertop surface and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Coat the dough in vegetable oil by pouring it on the surface. Place the bread dough back in the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Place the dough in a warm area to let it rise for 30 minutes. Punch the fermented dough, then divide it into 2 equal parts. Then roll the dough into a log. Now cut each log into 6 smaller pieces. Shape each dough into a ball. Roll each ball of dough in breadcrumbs. Spray cooking oil on a baking sheet. Arrange each ball of dough with 1-inch gap on a baking sheet. Bake at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Here is the final product. Thank you beauties for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!